So we just pulled up to Unleashed Motorsports right now. So we should be all good to go. We got the radar detector right there. This GoPro is going to be facing to the side right there. We have the rear, and then we're going to have the clip one that we're recording on right now, and that's just going to go ahead and be something like this. So it is starting to warm up, so I'm just going to go ahead and do just a little bit of a pull, make sure everything's good. We're pulling up to the spot right now anyways, but it's under the pass, so you know we got to do it anyways. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Now, even though we started off the video with a nice cold start with the Shelby GT500, the video itself isn't going to be entirely of the Shelby GT500, although I do want to go ahead and talk about the Focus a little bit. But we are also going to go ahead and, by showing an example of what I'm going to be talking about the Focus, we're going to go ahead and actually take these new tires, or these old tires, to get new tires. I've talked about it before. I don't have a light, but you can go ahead and see. You can see the wire starting to show, and that's around on a couple of areas. So we're gonna go ahead and hit up Unleashed Motorsports, go get some new tires. We're gonna go ahead and be doing that tomorrow morning. So we're gonna go ahead and load us into the Focus, and that's gonna go ahead and take us to the first part of what we're gonna talk about the Focus. So we got the beadlocks right here. We're gonna go ahead and pop the hatchback. Now, if you guys don't know, this is the Focus right here. It's a 2014. I got it because if you haven't seen the other reveal, basically we're gonna have a little family started up, so I needed a little bit of a four-door, but something a little bit more practical as well. And the biggest thing for me was gonna go ahead and be like the stroller, you know, more room to be able to put stuff in, a lot easier than trying to stuff stuff into a trunk, as well as when it comes down to it, tires, jugs, all that stuff. So it's a multi-purpose vehicle, it's not just one thing. So we're gonna go ahead and load up these beadlocks, and let's go ahead and see how they're gonna fit in here. So it literally got super dark out here out of nowhere, but I love about this is literally just a button and you just push it forward. The seats are all the way back right now, so don't mind that. They will extend all the way down, but pretty much it gives us perfect amount of room right here. And just like that, we're all loaded up, loving this little pit car. In all honesty, super happy with this part. So we just pulled up to Unleashed Motorsports right now. We got Estrella. Estrella has work, so she got to go in a bit, but we're going to go ahead and probably just end up dropping off the wheels and tires right now. Clean C8. It's clean.
I like your color skirt.
See how it's a really driver oriented? It's like a cockpit, like for a plane. It's crazy, huh? It's always so much wider than you think, you know what I mean, in person. That's clean. So we're sticking with the old reliables. We're gonna go ahead and go with the 305 4517Rs. That's what we had on there. But those definitely lived a long life, got a ton of runs in them. I actually bought them used off a friend as well, so the fact that I had them last so long is actually really surprising. Not gonna lie, it's a lot better seeing it done here at the shop rather than me doing it in the garage like I did in the last time. So I do look forward to getting some more runs in and more content with the Shelby, so stay tuned for that. We're gonna go ahead and get this all finished up and hopefully pick up the camera once we're all done. So because today I had to go to work, we're gonna go ahead and just put the jugs at E over here, and we're gonna go ahead and hit up the E85 station. But we got the beadlocks back on. Looks great again, having the whole setup again. As always, a huge shout out to Unleashed Motorsports for always helping me out. So shout out to Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the new battery for the Shelby. Oh yeah, gotta love the heavy boy. So, back to the video. So one of the best things about the Focus, in all honesty, is the fact that it has the keyless entry or whatever. When you walk up to it, pretty much the door's unlocked. That's a huge plus. So, easy money. Gotta love the good old parts getter. So in case I haven't made it clear, this is gonna be the oil for the Focus, and this is a battery for the Shelby. And this is just some chicken. Don't mind the fingerprints, but honestly, the camera quality for the reverse camera is pretty freaking nice, not gonna lie, compared to a lot of other ones that I've seen. So Estrella's backing up the Focus right now with the battery in the back. And then obviously we have the Shelby right here. We'll go ahead and see if it starts up. I doubt it is. The battery itself actually doesn't hold a charge. Basically when you're trying to start it, it actually only has like 5 volts, and that's the issue. But when it's running, it runs perfectly fine. So we're gonna go ahead and replace it. So I'm very curious if it actually starts up. The last time we drove it was to actually get the tires. Again, these videos are honestly very, very staggered. And we got the tires put on like literally last week. So it's been that long.
And just like that, the batteries are replaced. Now let's see if the car starts up better.
Gotta lower the music, but man, I'm gonna be honest, it feels extremely weird driving this car again. Compared to the Cobra, completely different driving experience. Week. So this is where we're actually go ahead and end it. We're back at Walmart, as you guys can go ahead and see. We're gonna go ahead and take that battery in. The oil change is done on the Focus, so we pretty much trying to get all these things done. I've been working like crazy, so it's hard to get all this stuff done. With that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this random video of pretty much the maintenance of everything that we have going on. We're hoping to get this car back out and make some more content with it very, very shortly. The Cobra, we've been enjoying the crap out of it. Honestly, it's been so long since we've been trying to get that car ready, and now that's finally dialed in. We're really, really trying to enjoy it. So that being said, if you want to follow along and watch some more content, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.